welcome to On the Surf. This is the family. On this channel we're talking about boat stuff in general, boat life with kids, how it works with kids on the boat, how it works with dogs on the boat maintenance and boat restoration and boat repairs, and basically boat life in general. Please subscribe to the channel. It doesn't cost a thing, it's free, but it helps me out and keeps my motivation going. So please hit that subscribe button. Give the videos a thumbs up if you like the content. And if you don't, leave a comment below. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell. So now it's time to make the templates for the new Softtop. And what you need for that is something to measure with. I use a wooden 2 meters and a 5 meter tape measure. And you also need some string to secure the arches in the correct place that you want it in. Some good scissors and some permanent pens. And normally the fabric for Softtops is 150 centimeters wide, and they are coming in a roll, so it's 1.5 meters times whatever, 25 meters or something. Some manufacturers is 153 and 152 and so on, but normally it's 150 centimeters. So as long as we can stay under that, it's preferable. That means we don't have to put two pieces together, and and this plastic, it's actually for steam proofing house walls. It's transparent, it doesn't stretch, so it's perfect for making templates. And when you draw on it, you can see it really good. So basically you are making a Softtop out of this, and then you duplicate it in the real fabric. We actually need a couple more things. We need normal painter's tape, and we need dual-faced tape to secure the plastic to the arches and to the boat. But now we have everything we need, so now it's time to go outside. So now I've used this string just to secure the arch in the position that I want it to, and I always start from that and work my way forward and the top left. So first we're gonna make that one, so take some measure and overcut it. So let's go inside and cut that one. Find center. Work on the center and out, cross fold, so this side, this side, this side, this side. Work your way out. Yeah, and you will need to move this around to get all the wrinkles out. And if this template has wrinkles, the Softtop will also. And these lines make an arrow right front position. Right on. That way you know if it's inside out or yeah. So right on it, what piece it is, which side it is, and an arrow that marks the boat's direction. Yeah, and I want the joint on the arch because there it's gonna be multiple layer, and there is the position that will shape the most. So do the connection there. Now the batteries are out, so now I need some coffee and charge my phone. Yeah, so now it's just to draw a line on the line we did before. That means we know where to stitch or sew, call it whatever you want. So now we're gonna go and get a piece of plastic for this side.